Hey guys, this is room 9340 on Carnival Panorama. We are right below the Lido deck, so it is a little noisy at night. But hey, we're on vacation. Who cares? Shouldn't be sleeping anyway. Anyway, we're going to start out back here with this room tour. Pay attention, kids. You heard that right. Air conditioning's on. Keep your door closed. If you have this door open and that door open, you're going to have a wind tunnel. Stuff's going to go flying. So here's the deck. 2 seats, table, standard. And it comes with a beautiful view of Cabo San Lucas, Land's End. Pirate ships, a whole lot of whale activity there today. But that's not what I brought you here today for. I brought you to see the room, so let's do exactly that. Before we do, please jump in there and smash that like button as hard as you can. Subscribe. Leave us a comment. If you stayed in this room before, tell us how you liked it. Anyway, here's the bed. King bed. Otherwise, it's 2 twins. They put them together if you need a king. Here's our towel animal, our room steward left for us. Christian's a great room steward. If you get him, tell him we say hello. So we hang our pool hats, TV, whip, whip. The fan that we request for every cruise, and the extension cord because I do use a CPAP. Fancy surfboard art. You won't get that anywhere else but a Carnival cruise ship. There's the beauty hangers for ball caps. So anyway, got a really nice couch. It makes into a bed for a 3rd person. I think you just sleep on it like that, really. Got a little vanity here. Don't drink these waters. They'll cost you $5, well, $4.50. You have to request ice from your room steward. We do that for every day. Here's my drink. Don't drink it all, guys. Come on now. But anyway, yeah, this is the room. We got some shelves on here. We're going to the bathroom. Shower's pretty standard for these cruise ships and these rooms, these balcony rooms. We got a lot of stuff we bring on a 6-day sailing. Sink. Now, if you've never sailed on a cruise ship before, never been on a vessel anyway, a sea vessel like this, toilets are really funny. See the that button? Loud toilet, does the job. Sink, toilet paper. I think there's supposed to be something there, I don't know what it is. I think in one of our room tours we did before, the room was much like this. It's the only thing our 1,000 Trails card is good for, is to keep the power on in a cruise ship. Plenty of storage. Dresses. I've got the coolest cooler cart down there in my bag. We got this closet. This shelf folds up, so you can actually have them hang more long stuff. You want to hang more long stuff, we keep our laundry bag and our shoes. You go over here to the 3rd one. Shelves, shelves, shelves. You got 3 drawers. Open up pretty good. There's that. And I don't care what anyone says, and I'll say this every time, kids. This is not just a cooler. It is a refrigerated unit, so it's called a refrigerator. Funny thing is, everything's cold in a refrigerator. What are your thoughts? Everybody seems to think they're just coolers. There's your 2 towels you get. Don't lose them. They'll charge you for them. And you come over here real quick. It tells you where you're at. We are, well, we're somewhere. We're here. At any rate, it tells you how to get out, where to go for your muster station, which we are mezzanine, deck 4. B4 is our muster station if things get crazy out on the water. And the last thing I wanted to share with you, people are like, where do you put your luggage? Well, we bring 4 check bags every time. Look at here, guys. Perfect storage. We shove all of our suitcases inside of them. They match. Shove them under the bed. Plenty of room. So anyway, that's room 9340, kids. We love the room. We love Carnival Panorama. We love you guys. And again, please like and subscribe. We need the view time. We need subscribers. Only way we get anywhere is if you guys support us. So we appreciate those of you that are subscribers. We appreciate those of you that comment. Come sailing on Carnival. We're having a great time, kids. We'll see you later.